Hey guys, it's Meesis Lotus here with another video, and today we have a pack opening, and we have 4 packs today to open, and let's get started. First we have a pack with Delphox on it. Let me just take this off the screen and open this. One second, thank you very much. Okay. So we have, we have a Kangaskhan as our first card. Diosuzin, a Mega Catcher, a Jigglypuff, a Carbink, a Larvitar, a Diglett, a Spoink, Solosis Reverse Rare, and a Moltres. Sorry, that is technical difficulties.
That's our baby brother. Sorry. He's trying to open the door.
Sorry for the technical difficulties there. That was our bad. We should have known that he's going to do that. Okay, second pack. It's another pack with Lugia on it. And let's get this wrapper off.
Here's the code.
First we have a Zygarde. Then we have a Wormadam, a Fossil Excavation Kit, a Whismur, a Minccino, a Railu, a Binacle, a Solosis, a Reverse Helix Fossil Omanite, and a Rotom regular rare. That is disappointing.
Okay.
Next pack. Next pack we have is a Zygarde pack. Hopefully get something good out of this. There's the code. First we have a Railu, Reverse Larvitar, Bronzong, pretty cool, Halucha, N, Braixen, Bronzor, Minccino, Snubbull, Deerling, and a reverse rare and a regular rare Deerling. Too bad. Okay, hopefully Alakazam can give us some luck. Okay. Here's the code. So first we have a oops. I messed up the thing. Okay, so first we have a Halucha, then we have another N, we have a Braixen, Solosis, a Railu, a Spoink, a Diglett, a Larvitar, and a reverse rare Wormadam, and oh cool! Look what we have here. A Regirock EX, 180 HP and 100 life. That is cool.
Very shiny.
Yeah, that finishes off our pack opening. We hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for other videos, and see you next time. Bye.